I need to know if I can resist having common solar panels on my roof as I'm the owner on the top floor unit where proposed panels are to be installed. There are already roofing problems elsewhere and have not been repaired. I don't wish to be a candidate for this down the road. Can I say no and have my wishes legally upheld?
Okay, so again, this is going to come down to, is that a common property roof or is it a lot owner's roof? Now, if it's the lot owner's roof, putting a great big solar PV array in, particularly where there's a history of structural problems or leaking, which is a common complaint with mobile phone towers, by the way, or little radio installations and satellite dishes. You're going to get into that unreasonable interference territory pretty much straight away. If it's a common property roof, though, and it's like, I just don't want them there because there's a structural problem or there's been leaks. Kind of two different problems, all right? The first one is get the body corporate to fix up the structural problems and the leaks. The second one, which is, let's have a look at PV. I mean, if the first problem is disposed of, the second problem shouldn't be a problem. But if, unfortunately, and I've had to beat somebody's corporate over the head with a stick many times to actually get them to understand that it is their job to properly maintain common property, whether they have the money or not, right? Because some of them adopt a business mindset. They do the whole risk management calculus. What's the risk of letting us go for another couple of years while we get the money, or just padding it off, and then we'll use our body corporate insurance to go and defend a legitimate claim of leaks just because we don't have the money because these are investment units. That sort of, it absolutely drives me wild. But anyway, if the issues have to be brought together, a really good approach for that lot owner is to commission an independent report about the leaks, about the structural issue, and then which anticipates a solar installation. So that then if a decision is being made by the body corporate to go and do the installation, again, body corporate needs to make a decision to actually go and do the installation. Then you've got really good grounds to go to the adjudicator's office and say no. And the reason no is, I did this report, I gave it to the body corporate, I told them what the issues were. There's a trailing issue in relation to structural problems and water leaks. This is going to make it worse. That's not my opinion. That's the opinion of this expert. Let's knock that over. And in fact, I like a good counterattack in that situation. The body corporate needs to actually go and maintain the roof space first. And then if they should be spending money on that rather than spending money on this PV because my roof leaks.